Class 4 English Chapter 15 Return to Nature. Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Students, today we will study Let's Write of this chapter. So let's start. Read the letter Satish has written to the principal of his school seeking permission to hold a competition. Students, basically here formal letter is given. I think you all have already read about formal letter and informal letter. Let me just remind you all. Formal letter is the letter written to the authorities and informal letter is written to friends, relatives and family members. On page number 115, a complete format of formal letter is given. Firstly, sender's name is to be written along with the sender's address. But here school details is given as the letter is written by student to the principal. After this date of letter, whenever it is written, apart from this, make sure that all the things in the letter is to be written from left hand side. Then post of the person to whom you are writing to along with the city name. Next, salutation like sir, madam. Then after content of the letter will commence. In the first paragraph, it is to be mentioned that why you are writing the letter. Just explain briefly. Further, second paragraph describes the purpose of the letter in detail. And in the last paragraph, conclude that what response you want. Lastly, closing the letter by mentioning yours sincerely if you know the name of the person you are writing to. If not, use faithfully. Just write the sender's name in the very last line of the letter. Now, page number 115. Keep these points in mind while writing a formal letter. Keep your letter brief and to the point. अपने लेटर्स को ब्रीफ में लिखो और टू द पॉइंट लिखो. गिव ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन इन द करेक्ट ऑर्डर. सारे इंफॉर्मेशन को करेक्ट ऑर्डर में दीजिए. यूज़ फॉर्मल लैंग्वेज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यूज़ थैंक यू इंस्टेड ऑफ थैंक्स. यूज़ योर्स सिंसियरली और योर्स फेथफुली. फॉर्मल लैंग्वेज यूज़ कीजिए, जैसे कि थैंक्स की जगह पे थैंक यू लिखिए और योर्स सिंसियरली या फिर योर्स फेथफुली को यूज़ कीजिए. डू नॉट यूज़ कंट्रैक्शंस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यूज़ कैन नॉट इंस्टेड ऑफ कांट एंड हैव नॉट इंस्टेड ऑफ हैवंट. कंट्रैक्शंस को यूज़ नहीं कीजिए, जैसे कांट नहीं लिखना है, कैन नॉट लिखना है, हैव नॉट लिखना है, हैवंट नहीं लिखना है. कीप योर टोन पोलाइट. अपने लिखने के अंदाज को पोलाइट लिखिए. ऑलवेज रीड योर लेटर एंड मेक करेक्शंस बिफोर यू सेंड इट. हमेशा अपने लेटर को सही कीजिए, उसे पढ़ कर देखिए और उसे सही कीजिए उसे भेजने के पहले. लुक फॉर स्पेलिंग एंड पंक्चुएशन मिस्टेक्स. अपने लेटर्स के स्पेलिंग और पंक्चुएशन मिस्टेक्स को देख लीजिए. Capitalize the first letter of the sentences and proper nouns. फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल लेटर होना चाहिए और उसके प्रॉपर नाउन को देख लीजिए. Now have a look at the question. Question number H. Read the letter. Tick the correct options to complete the letter. First, रिया गुप्ता, क्लास 4A, भारती स्कूल, पटना, बिहार. Here the answer will be sender's name and address. 2. 15 June / 15 June 2020. Here 15 June 2020 as it is full date. Third, dear madam, dear dear madam, hello madam. Here, dear madam, where M is capital will be. Fourth, I want will not be able to come to school next week. Here, the answer will be will not. Fifth, my parents are taking me to Pune Pune. My grandparents live there. We will help them pack and then bring them home with us. Here, Pune with capital letter is the answer. Now, 6. Please grant me leave I will be on leave from 22nd to 26th June. Please grant me leave. This is polite and humble accent. Then question number 7. Thanks thank you. Here the answer will be thank you. 8. Yours sincerely with love. Yours sincerely as you, the name of person you are writing to as well as here. Y is capital letter. Now 9th, Riya Gupta. Closing. Riya Gupta, sender's full name. Then question number I. The body of a letter is given below with paragraphs in the wrong order. Number them in the correct order. Write why you think that is the correct order. First, this is the second paragraph because the reason for writing the letter is given in detail. Second, this is the first paragraph because here it is explained why the letter has been written. Third, this is the last paragraph as it concludes what response the senders wants. Next question number J, just do it by yourself. Okay students, that's all for today's session. I hope you all understand it well. That's all. Thank you.